While there are so many ways to diversify your income as a content creator, some methods require crazy requirements or have high barriers to entry to even begin making additional income, like the Amazon Influencers program, where you need to go through a specific sign-up and approval process, or TikTok Shop, where you need to meet a minimum requirement of 5,000 followers. To many creators, this can become quite discouraging. But what if there was a way to diversify your income as a creator without all those hefty requirements, or while building your authority as a creator? This is where Flip App comes in, a TikTok-like shopping app where you can earn reward credits, free products, and make money from views and commission sales. In this video, I'm going to go in depth on what the Flip App is, an overview of the Flip App, the pros and cons to the app, who the app would be great for in terms of creators, as well as how I'm planning to strategically use the Flip App as part of my own diversification. So keep on watching. If you're interested in signing up or learning more about Flip App, be sure to click the link below to join in on the fun that is Flip App. So first things first, what is Flip App and what is the Flip App for? So Flip is self-described as a social shopping channel. It's kind of like a TikTok or Instagram Reel style shopping app that you can download from the App Store, where users can scroll a feed just like they would in TikTok, except all the videos that show up on Flip are genuine review-based videos on products that creators or regular buyers have purchased within the app, and you can also purchase them. The whole basis and goal behind this app is to tap back into the roots of shopping with friends, where shopping is considered a place of connecting and sharing the joys of a good find. They encourage the users and creators to come see the human side of commerce and be engaged during your next online shopping experience. To do this, the founders have leveraged the power of user-generated content. UGC has become increasingly popular both with brands and creators alike. Brands want the consumer trust that comes from the content that seems organic rather than branded, and creators can make good money creating content for brands without needing a huge following. While you're not required to make review videos if you don't want to, as a creator, it's definitely beneficial because as a result of sharing your video reviews, you can make money in various ways, which I'll explain further in depth later in this video. How does Flip App work? The way that Flip App works is really simple. All you do is just scroll the app and watch the different review videos, and if a particular product catches your eye or interest, you can add it instantly to your cart and check out. Alternatively, you can shop via the search tab for a particular product, or based on categories such as supplements, personal care, etc., and add items to your cart from there. It's pretty neat, as also sometimes there might be a product that you're looking for on, say, Amazon or online in general, and it might be sold out. So what you can do is simply search the Flip App to see if they might carry that product as well. Once you have received the product or products that you've purchased from Flip, only then can you make a review of up to 60 seconds about that product. The thing about this app is that you can't buy products from other places like Target or Sephora to make your videos. It must be through Flip to prove that you genuinely bought that item. Now, I personally don't suggest that you buy things for the sake of making videos and hoping to get a return on your investment. Rather, I first would begin purchasing products that maybe you already use and you just need to repurchase or stock up on. I definitely don't want to encourage irresponsible consumerism here. So let's get into the Flip App overview and show you exactly what you'll see inside of the app once you're signed up and signed in. So firstly, you'll need to download Flip from either the App Store or the Google Play Store, and this app is only currently available in the US. So when you first open the app, it'll take you straight to the video feed where you can scroll through the videos. Now at the bottom, you'll see who created it, the brand name, how many views the videos has, accompanying hashtags, as well as the product information, and a convenient add to cart button. What's a little bit different is that this app doesn't leave any room for captions like other apps, therefore what you see in the videos is basically what you get. On the right hand side, you'll be able to interact with posts by liking, adding products to your desire list, commenting, and sharing. At the top of the feed, you can search a product via the magnifying glass, and you can sort by new in, for you, or customize by customizing what you want to pop up on your feed category-wise. In the top right hand corner, you'll have your wallet, which I'll get into a little bit later. The next tab is your shop tab, so you can search by category or new in. The middle button will be where you can create your video or upload your video once you've made your purchases, which I'll dive a little bit deeper into a little bit later. Next, you have the shopping cart, where you'll see all of your products that you have in your cart. You can also create a desire list or wish list of products, as well as send a gift to anyone on the app if you're feeling generous. And lastly, you have your profile, where you can create a mini bio, your stats, upload a photo of yourself, and manage your flips, and account in general. And that is the general overview of the platform. So as you can see, it's pretty user-friendly. So the most important question is, how do you make money on Flip? Now, there are 3 different ways that you can earn money on the Flip app. The first and easiest way to earn money on the Flip app is by watching reviews. So all you need is a free account to get started. Flip hasn't really published any official guide to how much you earn for each action you take on the app, but it seems like you earn anywhere from 0.01 cent to 0.08 cents for the following actions. First one is watching a video. It doesn't seem to matter if you watch the whole video or just part of it before you scroll. The little reward counter at the top right-hand corner of the screen will increase when you scroll to the next video. Adding an item to your cart. So even if you don't buy the product, adding it to your cart bumps your Flip rewards total up. Commenting on a video as well. So similar to duration, the length of your comment doesn't appear to affect this rate. Liking a video. Hitting the like button will increase your rewards. Sharing the video with a friend. So you can share a video with friends who are already on the Flip app or share elsewhere by copying the video link or opening in messages. Now I've tried to kind of identify a pattern on how many cents are earned for each action, but it appears mostly random. To what I understand, you can only ever apply up to 30% of a discount on the purchases made with your rewards. Any remaining rewards will stay in your account to be applied to the next purchase. Now the exception is coupons earned by inviting friends to join, which I'll talk about that next. Depending on the cost of what's in your cart, you might be eligible for free products as well. So there are different tiers of free products available for $60 purchases, $100 purchases, and $150 purchases. So as I mentioned, another way to earn money on Flip is by inviting friends to join. So when you sign up for Flip and sync your contacts with your account, you will receive a unique coupon code to offer to the friends on your list. So each person you refer will get a $45 coupon to spend, and you will also get $45. So here it also says you can earn up to $4,800 just by referring and inviting friends on Flip. So if you got a lot of friends, consider yourself lucky. And finally, you can earn money by creating your own product reviews and publishing them on Flip. The creation process is similar to making a TikTok or Reel. Now, reviews should be filmed vertically in that 9:16 aspect ratio and up to 60 seconds long. You can film your reviews either in Flip or just upload them from your camera roll. So there are two main ways that you can actually make money from the Flip content that you make, and the first way is through sales. For the first 12 months after publishing a review, you will earn anywhere from 5 to 15% in sales commission on products ordered, placed from your content. So the earnings are released to your account once the order is completed. And this applies to both videos published to the Flip feed, as well as to any live videos that you host. The earnings will be released to your account once the order is totally complete. So this applies to both videos published to the Flip feed, as well as any live videos that you host. The second way is engagement. So you also earn money from how much engagement your content generates. So for the first 30 days after posting your video, you'll earn $15 to $25 for every 1,000 unique views on your video. So for the first 60 days after hosting a live, you'll earn $40 to $60 for every 1,000 unique views. Again, you can only review products that you purchase through the Flip shop. Now, according to Flip, this is just to ensure only honest, real reviews are posted on the platform. Is Flip app legit? If you're wondering if it's a place to make money as a reviewer, you can, but it is pay to play. So because you could only review products that you've purchased on Flip, you have to spend money to make money. If your videos earn good views and sales, this might be worth the investment, but it's definitely not a guarantee. Flip also offers access to free product collections for reviewers, but you have to first review a free product, which means spending at least $60, which is the minimum purchase amount eligible to get a free product. Making a good Flip review video. Now, because Flip doesn't rely on any types of trends or trending music, the videos you create need to be engaging from the get-go. Very similar to a UGC video, which is why if you are a UGC creator, you can use these skills to your advantage. I highly recommend having an engaging hook, which if you need some hook starters, I have a UGC hooks guide that you can check out in the description below. Your hooks can be visual, audible, have text on screen, or have a combination of these different hooks to reel the viewer in. And the goal here is really to catch someone's attention within those first 3 seconds. When speaking about the product, you want to ensure your video is clear, informative, engaging, and as truthful as possible. So for example, if you had a bad experience with a product, that is also valid. So be sure to mention that rather than trying to convince someone or lie about liking the product. Or if you loved a product so much that it lasted on your skin, mention how you put it on at 9 AM and now it's 3 PM and the product is still highly visible on your face. And lastly, I personally would recommend tagging one product per video. When you give a viewer too many options, they often don't choose any, therefore to avoid confusion for the viewer, keep it simple and easy for them. There are a few pros and cons that I found with the Flip app, particularly when it comes to content creators and UGC creators who want to utilize this platform as an additional means of income. A few pros for this app include that it has a more aesthetic interface. As a creator, you can land higher quality UGC inbounds than a place like TikTok Shop. It's super user-friendly. There's no social pressure to buy something because so many other people are promoting the same thing. There's no minimum amount of followers required to start posting. You can even earn if you post a negative review. You can get noticed by quality direct-to-consumer brands. You can add things to your desire list so people can anonymously gift you. You can get KPIs or key marketing indicators for your UGC portfolio. There are better quality products than on TikTok Shop. And lastly, there are really high quality free gifts that you can receive after a certain amount of spend on the app. So some of the cons for me include is that you can't tag or review items that you purchased in the past outside of the Flip app. Some items are more expensive than on Amazon. The app isn't available outside of the US at the moment. You can only post about products, so this won't replace TikTok for you if you post other content. And sometimes the brands repost your content without paying you, which can happen on multiple platforms as well. So here's how I would personally strategically use the Flip app. So having done a deep dive on Flip and how it can be used to one's advantage, this is how I would personally use this app as a supplemental way to diversify my income as a creator, since I'm also an Amazon influencer. I would personally only buy things that I need and not things that are just trending or hot right now, as I'm not about spending money on things that I simply don't need. Now, I would check to see if Amazon also carries those products and compare pricing. And if it costs the same as it would on Amazon, I would just buy it off Flip and make user-generated content videos for Flip. And I would also repurpose that video to my Amazon storefront, tagging the correlating product on both platforms for double opportunity to earn commissions from that one piece of content. If I feel like it makes sense to repurpose on my other social platforms, I'll do that as well to direct traffic to Flip and assess which products and videos are performing well. I'd also use the analytics from these videos I create on Flip to use in my UGC portfolio, just to show brands what kind of metrics my videos are able to achieve and use it as social proof. So instead of relying on just Flip views alone, I'd be using repurposing and other metrics to make using Flip worth it for me. If you have any other strategies to share, feel free to write them down in the comments below. All in all, if used in good faith by reviewers and treated with a dose of healthy skepticism by viewers, Flip could be the next big thing to watch in e-commerce and be a great way for new content creators and UGC creators to diversify their income. If you want to try Flip for yourself, you can sign up using my referral link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend or creator with whom you think this would really help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.